Hello, I'm Dr. Gloria Adwayensu, Director of Health for Fairfax County. As Virginia reopens and we start to resume some of our normal activities, it is important that we stay vigilant about continuing the practice of social distancing, wearing face coverings, and washing our hands frequently and thoroughly so that the sacrifices we have made while observing the stay-at-home orders are not in vain. Our good compliance resulted in a decline in the number of new COVID-19 cases in the Fairfax Health District and across Virginia. However, the virus has not gone away and will spread from person to person as we begin to take advantage of the relaxed restrictions unless we work together to keep the virus under control by boxing it in. The box it in strategy involves testing extensively and strategically to identify cases, isolating people who are infected so that the virus stops with them, finding close contacts of cases who may be infected, and then quarantining them. This is how it works. If you test positive for COVID-19 or are identified as having been exposed to the virus, a representative from the health department will call you. The people doing this work are called case investigators and contact tracers, and they are an important part of our strategy to box in the virus. The virus is spread primarily through respiratory droplets from coughing, sneezing, or talking. While people who are sick should isolate at home, COVID-19 can also be spread by people who do not have symptoms or even know that they are infected. This is why it is important for everyone to practice social distancing and wear cloth face coverings in public settings. If it is determined you have come in close contact with someone who has COVID-19, it is critical that you quarantine at home and stay away from others for 14 days from the last day that you were in close contact with that person. Being in close contact means you are within 6 feet of a person with COVID-19 for at least 15 minutes. Contact tracers will provide this guidance, encourage individuals to stay at home and monitor themselves for symptoms of COVID-19, and refer those who develop symptoms for testing to help contain the spread of COVID-19 in our community. When they call, please follow their instructions and guidance for self-quarantine at home. This means staying at home in a specific room away from other people and pets and using a separate bathroom if possible. It also means maintaining 6 feet of distance from others at all times in and outside the home. Practicing social distancing may be challenging for members of a household who live together in close quarters. This is why Fairfax County is providing temporary shelter for individuals who need a place to stay to successfully and safely self-isolate or self-quarantine in order to prevent the spread of COVID-19. This service is available to all county residents who meet this criteria, regardless of immigration status. Contact tracing saves lives by preventing the spread of COVID-19. So it is important for every resident to do their part and answer calls, text messages, or emails from the COVID-19 Case and Contact Investigation Team. Calls will have the caller ID VDH COVID Team. Contact tracers will not ask for money or information such as a social security number, bank account details, credit card numbers, passwords, or security questions. Unless you give permission, your name will not be revealed to your close contacts, even if they ask. Contact tracers will offer to enroll people in a voluntary contact monitoring platform called Sarah Alert, which individuals can use to update the health department on their health status during the period of time they are asked to stay home and monitor for symptoms. The Sarah Alert system is secure and always contacts users from the same phone number or email. It will only ask about your symptoms and is currently available in English and Spanish. For us to successfully box the virus in, we need everyone to respond to our calls and follow the instructions and guidance for staying home and away from others. Making a choice to help us keeps you, your loved ones, and our community safe from COVID-19. Help us slow transmission by answering the call. For more information on COVID-19, visit our website www.fairfaxcounty.gov/health or call us at 703-267-3511. Thank you and be well.